Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope so all of you will be fine by grace of Allah. Today we will discuss about human heart. Human heart is a muscular organ and it is size of one fist. ह्यूमन हार्ट का जो साइज होता है वो हमारी एक मुट्ठी के बराबर होता है एंड इट इज प्रेजेंट इन दी चेस्ट कैविटी स्लाइटली टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड.
Human heart consists of four chambers. The upper two chambers are called arteria, singular atrium. The lower two chambers are called ventricles. The left and right side of the heart is separated by a partition so that the blood in both parts does not get mixed.
Human heart works as a double pump. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pump to it the lungs. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the body and pump to it all parts of the body. Let's see how heart serves this function of double pump.
Deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body enters into the right atrium through vena cava. Deoxygenated blood from the lungs enters into the left atrium through pulmonary veins. Both atria contacts and blood enters into the respective ventricles. The opening between the right atrium and right ventricle is guarded by the valve is called Tricust valve, which also prevents the backflow of blood. The opening between the left atrium and left ventricle is also guarded by the valve is called Vicus valve. It also prevents the backflow of blood. When ventricles contract, the blood from right ventricle is passed to the pulmonary artery, which take it to the lungs for oxygenation. The blood from left ventricle is pumped into aorta, which carries blood to all parts of the body except lungs. Thank you.